What's up guys, I'm here at downtown Seattle. I just finished work and I'm heading out to the tunnel to ride it to the bus going to Ode's working place to pick up the car. See you there! I'm still walking from downtown Seattle to here at Tequila. Takes me like 30 minutes in the bus. Woo. Super cold. Waiting till this car will heat up. Then I'll go to Jollibee. And right now it's 4:10. So I might go home and then do some stuff like edit the vlog and do some chores. After a decade, I'm finished in Jollibee. I bought Ode her dinner, chicken stripes, and a red ribbon cake. How sweet! I see. I have to wear gloves because the steering wheel is so cold. And yes. Oh my gosh, I just arrived for a 1 hour drive, stuck in the traffic. Why? Because I'm all by myself. I'm tired, so today I am going to do the chores like folded clothes and edit the vlog. See ya! Maglawa na kayo ko. Sige lang taong lawa, tagaan daw kaduha. Maglawa ay bibiro, ako pagapabiro. Sige taong dahil, kalas kurinte. Why smile? I mean, why are you laughing? Kadugay ba mo tulo, mas kusot ka pong ihi. Dugaya te, bilisan mo te.
May towel talaga?
Malamig te, malamig. Wala pa akong, hindi pa ako nakabis ng onesie, okay?
Tagalog.
Not like you, you're wearing onesie already.
I know, right? Hurry up so you can show them.
The what?
My onesie.
Touchdown.
Otro.
My payment is simple. My payment is simple. 1, 2.
Oh my gosh.
Sorry, I
can't.
don't know.
Hello. Hi.
Oh, camera, focus, man,
I
focus.
know, right?
Do your job, okay? Do your job. Yes, I don't really like onesie, but it
He's
helps.
forced. He's forced because of me. He's forced.
No, it helps like keep your body warm.
Yeah. So today is 20 degrees. We went to work today and it was so cold. Like I was freezing my butt.
20 degrees Fahrenheit.
My okole.
And in Celsius, I think -9.
Negative 3. I
Oh,
think.
3. Wow.
Yeah.
Freezing point is 0.
Yeah, we want to give a shout out to my cousins. I know you guys are watching. I'm feeling. I know, right? Especially Navea. Hi, Navea. We miss you so much. Navea, Chelsea, April, Stella, Hazel May, Gabriel,
Giselle,
Janelle, Javen, Joshy Boy, Phoebe.
And to all the aunties and uncles.
I know. I miss
And
Ian. I miss
Mama Tata.
Streisand. I miss the queen, karaoke queen, Gwen.
The Hawaii peeps.
I know. I miss
Macaulay peeps, Ate Jonah.
Ate Jonah. And my brother. And my mother.
Yeah.
My
So this is your
Lula.
first time having Christmas with me? Oh no, just kidding.
No, it's my first Christmas away from my family.
How about
I mean,
me?
you are my family.
Ask me.
Okay, is this your first Christmas away from your family? Question, when was the last time you celebrated Christmas with them?
2010.
Are you serious?
Only 2010. Yeah. Yeah. Because I always travel.
Feeling kayo siya. Sige na siyang travel.
I've been to a lot of places.
Talaga?
Oh, akam, you don't know?
I mean, I know because you always brag about it. Like every time, oh, I've been there. Then ako like,
I forgot the quote. It's better to have a full...
passport that's full of stamp than a house full of stuff.
You're right. So, life is too short. Travel. That's why this vlog is a travel vlog. And
But we don't really travel as much. Like, I mean, probably do, but...
Okay, this vlog is a shopping vlog because Ode loves to shopping. Oh.
No, that's why you hear this awful sound in the living.
That's the dryer.
In the entry, that's the dryer and the washer. So
Okay.
I'm sorry.
I'll start.
It's very.
Okay, I will start
very-
editing once again. I mean, like, this is my part-time job as an editor. Okay, shoot myself.
Shoot yourself? Why don't you
Alright.
shoot yourself?
So this is how I edit. I have this second monitor. It is a 3D TV with HDMI, and I used to edit on the laptop, so I could bring this laptop anywhere where I am. I used before edit on my iMac, but then there's some complications.
So-
This is the wrap, guys, and thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching our vlogs.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment in this video and all our videos and vlogs to continue our uploads and stuff. What you doing? So, do you have something to say aside from bye?
Thank you for watching, and
I just repeat what I say.
see you guys in the coming year. Happy New Year. Ay, no, it's still Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry
Merry Christmas.
1, 2, 3, go. Merry Christmas!
Make you happy. I